Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, they are ready. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you're supporting me and my channel. And thank you so much to everyone who's been leaving comments listing your region of the world. I have been updating my world map, and I've also downloaded an online world map that I can update. So make sure you check the community post, because I'm going to post a picture of that world map. And like me, I think you'll be surprised. So I'm not going to keep you long, but I wanted to let you know that my November paper crafting kit is ready, and I have another offering that will go out at the same time. So this kit will be available on my website tomorrow, October 31st at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm giving you a heads up look so that if you are interested, you can make sure that you go out at 4 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow and grab yours. And after I share this with you, don't go anywhere, because I have some wonderful treat mystery boxes that I want to share with you as well. And I think I only have 4 of those, so I wanted to go ahead and put those out with this as well. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera, give you a look at this beautiful, beautiful November paper crafting kit. Then I'll share that mystery box with you. All right, so here is the mystery box, and I am going to do the larger pieces first, and we're going to start with a piece of 12 by 12 acetate. I have it laying on the tissue paper that it normally comes against so that we can keep it protected. You know, acetate loves to show fingerprints, so I'm trying to keep it protected on that 12 by 12 piece of tissue. So you will get a full sheet of 12 by 12 acetate. This is the acetate that I use on the channel. We have 2 pieces of 12 by 12 chipboard. We have 2 pieces of beautiful, beautiful wine colored floral paper, and that's what I went with in this particular collection. I wanted to go with the wine or a berry color. And then we have 2 pieces of beautiful Prima paper with the gold foiling. Hopefully you can see that gold foiling. The back side is beautiful. And there is a back side to this one as well. So both of these are double-sided. We have 2 sheets of berry colored 12 by 12 cardstock. And then I have a bonus piece of beautiful 12 by 12 paper. And this is also from Prima, and you can see that gold foiling inside, and then there is the back side. Then I've included 2 project pieces that you might want to use. We have a 5 by 8 notebook, and we have a 3 by 5 notepad. That notepad comes with the pen. They were sold as a set, so they do come together. And then I have a small roll of double-sided tape, as well as a pack of Velcro dots. Then we have 2 feet of berry twine, and then 2 feet of beautiful frayed satin ribbon. We have some beautiful washi. We have a pack of our ladies and some little stamp stickers. We have a nice little paper pack here. And then we have a small pack of medium-sized gold mini brads, so hopefully you can see those. Then we have some beautiful, absolutely beautiful gold foiled paper napkins. There are 3 in this pack. And then we have these beautiful little sticker sheets. There are 3 of those in the pack. We have some word stickers, and there are, I think, about 5 or 6 of those in the pack. And they're right up there. And then we have a couple of sheets of either rub-ons or stickers, or it could be a combination of both. Now, this is our beautiful paper crafting kit. You get all of this. So for those of you who are members of my monthly members group or my Patreon, you will receive your 15% off discount code. Look for that code in either your community post or on the wall of the Patreon group. It'll be posted there. So this will go on sale tomorrow, October 31st at 4 p.m. So on this one, I think that I have 10 to 15 to offer. I know I don't have any more than 15 So if you're interested, head out, grab yours, because I'm pretty sure you will not be disappointed. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. Every time I show these kits on camera, they really don't do them justice, but this really is a fantastic kit. So I am going to move all of this to the side. And then I have set this 14 by 14 by 4 inch box on my desk. This is a mystery box. But y'all, this is not an ordinary mystery box. My sister put these together for me. And what she did is she wanted to put together a mystery box that contained some of the things that I use on the channel most often. So what I can tell you is I watched her as she was putting these together. I didn't watch everything, but I know some of the things that she was putting in them. So I will say this, a lot of the Posh Paper Lady tools are in these boxes along with a bunch of other stuff. The value of the contents of the box, if you were to purchase these separately, far exceed the cost being charged for the box. I'll give you an example of what you will find in your box. All the boxes will contain a We Are Memory Keepers trimmer scoreboard, similar to the one or the exact one that you see me using on the channel. There's one thing in this box that if you were to purchase the quantity that was given to you, it would cost you about $30. And you'll know what I'm talking about when you purchase this box and you order it. It would cost you about $30 alone for that one thing that's in this box. So we have 4 of these boxes. They are filled to the brim. I literally had to squeeze closed while she taped so that we could get the box to close. If you want a mystery box, head on out to my website tomorrow, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. The mystery box will go on sale at the same time as the November paper crafting kit. Now the 15% off only applies to the November paper crafting kit, because you are getting this box and the contents of this box at an extreme discount. So 4 of these available, no more than 15 of these available. They'll go on sale tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Y'all, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I say it all the time. I really do appreciate it. Check that community post though, because I want you to see the map. And I really want you to see how our little online crafting family is spread all over the globe. So if you look at that map and you see that your region isn't represented, why not go ahead and let me know, and I'll update it, and I'll keep updating and sharing that map with you, because global domination is what I'm after. Y'all, I'm just kidding. I'm not. I would really just like to have friends all over the world. So as always, my dear, sweet, beautiful friends, y'all, please be safe. Be kind. Be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.